Okay. How are you? I'm good, I'm good.
Check on my YouTube channel, subscribe please.
What's your name?
Maka Mugenda.
Maka Mugenda. Yeah, let me sign it because I don't have data, but I will just write it down.
Hero. Yeah, yeah. Huh?
How is it?
M-A-K-A. A. Yeah. Space. M-U-G-E-E-N-D-A.
Maka Mugenda.
YouTube.
Sawa sawa.
Asante sana. Thank you so much. Ero kamano. Ero kamano Jacindo. Ero kamano Jacindo mwalo. Jacindo. Just taking along the beach. This is my. I was in Sierra. Today I have already come back with a full swing, which shall be just give you a vibe, and these are very normally. Inafanya zote but saizi nafanya saizi na stream YouTube.
Sasa uko live?
Okay, hola. Round 1001. Guys, just keep on watching. My name is Maka Mugenda. I'll be just show you how beautiful the beach, guys. You see this, how beautiful the beach today. Yeah, I don't know because I'm just trying to buy the time because I want to just a place where I can Kokwa Beach. Yes, I'm in the beach. Yeah. Yeah, what you see now, there's activity now going on in the beach. Poa poa niaje? I'm fine bwana. I'm fine Omera. Niko kwa beach bwana. Niko kwa beach, just tell me. Niaje? Niambie. You see how beautiful the beach iko leo. Yani beach hamna matata bana. Yeah, there's no worry the beach today. Yeah, just keep on watching. You see how beach is, guys. It's a very special vibe, guys. Now taking you along the beach. My name is Maka Mugenda. Poa na wewe uko aje? Mimi niko poa bro. I'm good. I can't deny I'm good. I just appreciate. Yeah, I appreciate what I do. And also I love what I do. Yeah, you see how beach is, guys. This is a very special vibe, guys. Just keep on watching. I'll be just taking you along the beach, show you how beautiful is the beach, guys. And remember, yeah, right now I have a few minutes. I want to start streaming. Yeah, I'll be just streaming, show you how beautiful is the beach, guys. So just keep on watching, don't move. Just enjoy the vibe with me. Yeah, just keep on watching, keep on enjoying the vibe. Yeah, this is how it is, guys. Yeah, this is how it is. Looking very nice. You see the place, guys. There's some ladies. You see them? Yeah, they're just chilling. I don't know what's happening, but roughly I can just say they're enjoying the vibe. Just enjoying the vibe. Just keep on watching, man, guys. This is how beautiful it is. And right now, Congo is full, but Congo is full of water. full of water, man, full of water. Yeah, so I just want to stream here, whether they like it or not. I just want to do my things here. So this is how it is, guys. Just keep on watching. Yeah, I think I can also change the live stream. You see, so you see this how beautiful is the other side. Yeah, this is how beautiful is the other side. Just keep on watching. I'll be just taking you along the beach, and I remain with a few minutes to start streaming on the other hand. Naje bro. Yeah. So you see how beautiful is the place. Just keep on watching. I'll be giving you a vibe. But I think I would like just to vibe with you here, and here. There's a lot of noise here. I think it can be better when I do it the other side. Excuse me, my brother. Hello. Imagine. Naitwa Mata. Nafanya upload video na ubaki kesi kwa online, follow YouTube, subscribe. Mimi just traditional. So in case utakuwa online, follow YouTube, subscribe. Maka Mugenda. Maka is M-A-K-A.
Za YouTube.
Wanafanya YouTube, so hiyo ni YouTube channel yangu. Wanaifanya live. Sana wanafanya streaming sana. Hold on, thank you. Yeah, guys. Right now I just appreciate because now this place is now mine. Yeah, I just want to do my things here, guys. It will be sounding very nice. Very nice, very unique. Yeah, just keep on watching. This is a very special vibe, and now you see how beautiful it is now. Yeah, I don't know what to say, but I think you have to see how beautiful is the beach, guys. Just keep on watching. In case you have any question, mwambie mambo bana. Wow, inakaa poa. Yeah, this is how it is, guys. When you look the other side, this is what you will see now. So I don't know if I do it like this, but if I change I want you to see the water, man. Yeah, today I'll just play the slow music. I would like to play the slow music. Yeah, like this. I don't know. Let me see like this. Okay. No worry in Africa, bwana. I'm really sorry, guys, for those who are watching. I'm really sorry. Pole, lakini simu yangu iko na 20, lakini ina no problem bro, hakuna shida bwana. Hakuna shida bwana. Hakuna shida bwana. Kwani ni kesi? Jaka baba. Kuna shida bwana. No problem. No problem bwana. No problem at all. When I put it like this, you just see the other side. The other side of it. Aye.